हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ कोड शेफ कॉन्टेस्ट का प्रॉब्लम नंबर ए एंड इट्स नेम इज ग्रास फील्ड एंड लेट्स रीड द प्रॉब्लम। ओके, चलिए पहले प्रॉब्लम को पढ़ते हैं। देयर इज अ फील्ड ऑफ साइज 2x2. ईच सेल ऑफ द फील्ड कैन either contain a grass or to be empty. The value aij is 1 if the cell ij contains grass or 0 otherwise. In one move you can choose any one row and one column. Okay, in one row we can choose any one of the row available and any one of the column. Okay, and cut all the grasses in this row and column. In other words, you choose it the row x and column y, then they have given the description how that if you have chosen one row, then all the rows, then in the same row you can delete all the grasses which came, and in the same column you can delete all the grasses. Okay, and we have to find the minimum number of moves to cut the grasses in all the non-empty cells of the field. Okay, so let's see this, how to approach this question. So see, we have been given a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, in every test case a 2 cross 2 matrix will be given to us, and they're expecting us to find the minimum number of moves to delete the grass. Okay, so see, what can happen is that first consider that if there is no grass at all, means that all grass has been removed, so it would be the case that would have been given 0 0. Then in this case the number of moves to remove the grass will be 0. So okay, so it is the move when all of the grass is been removed. Another case will be if you have been given that it's this. Okay, there can be 4 cases of this 1 0 0 and 0, and 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. In all these cases you can, one thing is common, that here the number of moves required is only 1, because you can either choose this column or you can choose either this row to delete. So this will be deleted and all the grass will be removed. So, and in the same example, in second example, you can see that either you can choose this row or you could choose this column. So in this the number of moves required will be equal to 1. Okay, and the next example could be that if there are two ones given to us, means 0 1 1 and 0. Okay, next will be 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 0. Okay, and 1 1 0 0. Other case will be 1 1 0 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and it will be 6. So one of the cases is missing. Let's see which case. Okay, now I got that. It's 0 0 1 1. Okay, so see, in this you can either choose one of the rows and one of the column. In this, see, if I can choose this column, now all these one will be deleted, so it will require only one move. Okay, and in this I can choose this column first and this row, so it will be counted as the one move only, because in one move you can choose both row as well as column. Okay, so see, in this I can choose this column, or, or I could choose this row, and it will be only one count. And in this question you can choose this column, and in this you can choose this row, so it will also count to one move only. Same here, same goes with there. So if we have been given that the number of ones is 2, then also the number of moves required to remove the grasses will be 1. Okay, so let's deep dive to another example. And in next case will be that we have been given 3 ones. Okay, so it will be that 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, now see, you have been given 1 0 1 1, and now this 1 0 will travel here, next 1 1 and 0 will travel here. Now see, now in this case you can see that I could use this row and this column, so it will count it as one move. And in this question you can use this column and this row. And in this next example, you can choose this, no, this column and this row. Okay, and in this you can choose this as well as this. So here also, the number of move required will be only one, because we have been choosing only one row and one column. So number of rows will be required will be only one. Now see the next example, which could be the last example, because it's only one and one here, means that number of ones are 4. So you can use, so to deduce this example, you can use this row and this row, because we have been using two rows, so it will be counted as two moves, because in one move you can choose only one column. You can choose this, or you can choose this column or this column. So in this the count will be 2. Now let's check out the code for this example. To see, the code is as follows. We have initialized the test cases, and t minus plus equal to 0. We have initialized the array of 2 cross 2, taking the input and checking the ones, and if the number of count of ones is 0, then we'll return 0, because here no move will be required to remove the class. And if the count equal to 1, 2 or 3, then also the number of moves required will be 1, and else if it is greater than 3, means that it can only be 4 at the max. So we will require the number of moves will be 2. So thank you friends. If you like this solution useful, you can like and share to my channel.